Many bird species can be observed in the Caribbean region, and several of them breed there. To encourage birds to visit gardens, it is good practice to plant or keep fruit trees and some seed-bearing plants. A small patch of land left uncultivated will attract seed eaters. Birds are useful helpers in the garden, as is the case of insect eaters that feed on caterpillars and other insects, including pests. They therefore allow us to minimize the use of agrochemical products, which are harmful for the environment and dangerous for humans. Let's learn more about our birds so that we can protect them better, so that we can protect ourselves better.